Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if cellular data not showing on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find cellular data. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just need to turn off Wi-Fi and just try to use only cellular data. And if it doesn't help you, you just need to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So it will restore your network. And after, just go to the general. If you still have this issue, just scroll down to shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you just need to go to the general again, just scroll down, just tap on reset and just reset network settings. And if you still have this issue, so the latest option you can try, just made force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button, and after you just need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.